Hello and welcome back for another video, and we have even more tight end news. This time, perhaps the biggest name left on the market has found a team. Jared Cook is leaving the Saints and joining the Chargers on a one-year deal worth up to $6 million. So this, according to Adam Schefter, so this is pretty big because the Chargers, they just lost their tight end Hunter Henry, who chose to go to the Patriots, and so therefore they're able to bring in a solid startable tight end, at a good rate, up to $6 million. So therefore, that works out for them. Obviously, the Saints have their situation going on with the salary cap. So therefore, bringing him back probably wasn't very likely. But this is big for the Chargers, and they're able to get someone to come in, and catch some passes from Justin Herbert in order to help him to succeed, which seems to be the focus of this offseason when it comes to the Chargers. In terms of Jared Cook, he is currently, I believe he's like 33, 33 or 34 around that age range. Last year he started 5 games last year. He had a lot of injuries, and so but he was able to get 37 receptions during that time period for 504 yards and 7 touchdowns. So yeah, he started those 5 games, and so that's a lot of production for 5 games. I will say that. But he did have some games where he was just going completely off, like going insane. But that's Jared Cook for you. So he has that high ceiling where he can go off occasionally, but he's a solid tight end to have, especially around the red zone. And so this is exactly why the Chargers wanted him and why it makes sense for them to sign him. So yeah, this is he's been good ever since really coming into the league. Back in 2009, although his impact was, not his rookie year, but the year after that, then he just kept getting better and better. So yeah, he's made the Pro Bowl a couple times back in 2018, 2019. So yeah, good signing for the Chargers. Happy for Jared Cook. He's found a new home, and we'll see how things continue to play out and unfold with the rest of free agency. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Hope you liked the video, and I will see you guys next time.